7 signs you are experiencing a vibrational shift.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you might be listening to this special Law of Attraction podcast. I am your miracle mentor, your mentor of light, Robert Zink, delighted and thrilled to be bringing you this daily personal podcast. And hey, I want to remind you that now is the time to sign up and follow us on YouTube, because we are giving away 3 audio programs from our empowerment store to 3 lucky winners every single month on YouTube and on Instagram, because we're doing some creative things over there on Instagram as well. So thank you so much for supporting this podcast and for sharing it around the net. Signs you're experiencing a vibrational shift. Look, we are energy. And I know it's hard for some of us to get a handle on that, but we are vibration. And as we begin to focus on higher levels of consciousness, our vibration begins to move faster, cleaner, more distinct. And that means that you are attracting more of what you desire. Look at you. I just have to emphasize this. If you're in a state of pain, if you're in a state of doubt, if you're in a state of fear, if you're in a state of anger, your ability to attract what you desire is diminished greatly because you are at a lower vibrational level. Everything in the universe vibrates, and the higher you are on the vibrational scale, the more you can link up with whatever it is that you desire. Perhaps it's that new boat. Perhaps it's a new house, a new car, a raise at work, whatever it may be. Perhaps you want to have an incredible relationship with your soulmate. I mean, that's up to you. But as your vibration sinks, so does your ability to manifest what you truly desire. We're not just talking about money. Look at, you can have low vibration and still make a lot of money because you have specialized knowledge in one area and you're good at it. But what I'm talking about is true abundance. I'm talking about real happiness, real joy, real fulfillment, real love. I'm talking about not only money and prosperity, but I'm talking about love and health and happiness. I'm talking about the Quan, everything, all of it, the whole package. Okay? So how do you know that you are experiencing a vibrational shift? And when I mean shift, I mean a shift upward. I'm going to give you 7 signs that are absolutely vital. Are you ready? Number 1, people are treating you with greater kindness. People are opening doors for you. They're smiling at you. They're talking to you in the checkout line. Why? Because the higher your vibrational level goes, the more attractive you become. This is why it's so vital when people separate and they're going through a breakup and one of the partners wants to get back together. And I say, look, you can't focus on the other person. You have to focus on your vibration. And as your vibration rises, that person will automatically be drawn back to you. You have to change the tide. You have to change the direction of the current by raising your vibration. And you increase your magnetism. So as your vibration goes up, your magnetism expands. And wow, that's an incredible feeling when you have people just going out of their way to do nice things for you. I know that at times when my vibration is really rockin' solid. I mean, it's high, it's good, it's clear, it's clean. People are, go ahead, get in line in front of me, Robert. Oh, really? Well, thank you. Hey, Robert, can I buy you a cup of Starbucks today? Well, that's wonderful. I appreciate that. Just little things like that, but it becomes a telltale sign that my vibration is raising and I'm going through a vibrational shift. So if that's happening to you, you're experiencing greater kindness. You are experiencing a vibrational shift. Hey, I want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and Alchemy Life Coaching and discover what a mentoring program can do for your life, for your relationship, for your business, for your career. Be sure to include a little letter with your application. Thanks so much. Go to lawofattractionsolutions.com and fill out the form there.
This is the #1 podcast on personal empowerment, success, and the law of attraction. You're listening to the Miracle Mentor of Light, Robert Zink.
Number 2, you seem to have more energy. You're doing the same stuff. In other words, you're eating the same thing, you're exercising the same, but all of a sudden, you want to stay up an hour or two later. You want to get out of bed an hour or two earlier. During the day, you seem to have more drive and punch. As your vibration goes up, you need less sleep. Look at when your vibration is low, to the level of depression, you want to sleep like 23 hours a day. The only time you get up is to go to the bathroom and maybe have a glass of water. Other than that, you have no energy. But as your vibration raises, it's a good feeling. Take a deep breath with me. That's one of the ways I love to raise my vibratory energies, by breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And it does increase your energy for no other reason than on a biological level, it increases the nitric oxide in your blood. Okay? Expands your blood vessels, allows more energy to get through your body. So if this is happening to you, this is a sign you are experiencing a vibrational shift. Number 3, you see symbols that are important to you. Perhaps you see white limousines. Perhaps you see the number 777. Perhaps you see hawks or eagles or cardinals. Cardinals. If you see red cardinals, wonderful sign. Absolutely incredible sign. If you wake up in the morning and you hear a woodpecker, another sign that, it's happening. You're experiencing a vibrational shift and you are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. You are now soaring in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Well, number 4 on the list is your intuition is exploding. You're going through an intuition increase big time, and you just seem to know things. You don't know how you know it. You just seem to have a greater sense of intuition. It's a wonderful experience because you're not likely to lose that increase in intuition. It's as if your third eye is wide open and you just feel things. You just know things. That's a sign that you are going through a massive vibrational shift. Number 5, opportunities are all over the place. They're coming your way. Ideas are raining down from heaven. So you have opportunities and ideas. And when opportunities and ideas get together, oh man, it's unbelievable. You just feel like you are 15 or 16 years of age getting ready for your first prom. You're just excited. You're motivated. You're on fire. And that's what happens when you go through a vibrational shift. Well, one of the things, number 6 on my list, that happens as you go through a vibrational shift is resistance. You know, that dirty, dark resistance that we all have to go through. Resistance begins to fade away. Yeah, we all have resistance, and sometimes resistance is very good for us. But because you can't strengthen your muscles, spiritual or physical, without resistance. But think about this. As your resistance goes down, as things just fall into place, have you ever been doing a puzzle and every piece you picked up, you knew right where it went? There was no resistance. Well, that's what's happening to you now if you are experiencing an incredible vibrational shift. Oh, I'm absolutely excited, Rachel. I'm absolutely excited because I believe, I have to pause for a moment before we get to number 7. I absolutely believe that there are thousands and thousands and thousands of our listeners throughout the world right now that I just feel like I need to send you some good energy, that you are on the cusp of experiencing a vibrational shift. Take a deep breath now. Breathe it in. Hold that energy in. Let me send this energy to you. Our point of contact is the sound of my voice. As you listen to the sound of my voice, you are experiencing the energy and intention that I am now sending you. And that is activating an incredible vibrational shift in your life. I feel that there are some of you that are going to be experiencing some physical healing. Some of you are going to experience a renewal in your career. Abundance and prosperity is coming to so many people. Now, you just have to keep your mind focused optimistically. What you focus on tends to grow. So focus on your desires. Focus on love energy. Take a deep breath. Feels good. Let that love energy flow through your body. For many, 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 many of you, I have now activated a vibrational shift. It's starting. And here's number 7. Troubled relationships improve. You know, you're fighting with your parents all the time. That improves. You're fighting with the teacher at school all the time. That improves. You're having relationship problems. That improves. As you are experiencing a vibrational shift, the shift is on. Oh, we need that t-shirt. Rachel, we need that t-shirt. The shift is on. Who wants to help us? We're going to make 1,000 t-shirts. I'm going to wear one every day. The shift is on. It's taking place throughout the world. You're a part of it. And it's not just your life getting better, your relationship getting better. It's our world is getting better. Oh, I'm excited. I don't want to hang up, but I got to go. It's time to go. I got my wings out right now and I'm ready to soar. I hope you are a high flyer and will join us, and be sure and subscribe. Thank you so much for listening. You have a great day because you deserve it. Bye-bye.